Hi everyone, my name is Rika Perhis from BSIT 2A. So I don't have a real motherboard. So kumuha ako kumuha ako ng picture from Google and ito na lang yung ginawa ko. So first is itong blue na to, ano siya, memory slot. At itong dalawa, ito, yan. Memory slot, then, at ito naman, and then ito is, Super I/O, Super I/O, Super I, Super I/O chip, and then ito, itong white na nasaan dito, yan is 24 pin ATX power connector, and then dito, and then ito is floppy connector, and yung nasa ilalim dito is IDE connector, then ito is, ano ba, and then, itong white na to is traces fan connector, and then itong orange na to na apat, this is the SATA connector, and this is ito, USB headers, and then ito is South bridge without heatsink. Then ito is North bridge chipset. And then itong dalawa na to, yung kulay white na yan is PCI slot. And then ito is PCI Express 16 slots. Then, ito, mula dito hanggang dito, bilog na yan is, I/O panel connector. Then dito is 4-pin ATX connector, and then here is rear fan connector, and then this is the CPU socket. Then ito is Super I/O chip. Tapos itong kulay blue na to, yan, itong blue na yan, Ayan is memory slot. Nilagayan ng mga slot. Ayan. And that's all. And that's all. Again, my name is Rika Praise from BSIT 2A. Thank you for watching.